Hadn't seen this before. There's a squirrel there. Looks like it's climbing a pole to get to the food. He's just taking it easy, watching me work. He said, you do what you do and I'll do what I do. I'm getting to this food here. Go ahead, Mr. Squirrel or Miss Squirrel. I'm not gonna bother you. Just taking the picture. Oh, okay. Oh, jump on the top of it. Okay. Well, as you can see, a few things happen as you're working on sprinklers. You get a chance to observe wildlife doing things that you don't even think that they're doing. So it looks like she has their way of doing it. Let's see if he's able to get any, if she's able to get any food out of there. I'm gonna have to go, Mr. Squirrel and Miss Squirrel. But you go right ahead and you do what you do. And it's getting. Yep. Michael Von Williams, a sprinkler man, observing a squirrel get food from a feeder. Interesting. Now let me get back to what I'm supposed to be doing here. Here we go. With this one, I'm going to stop this rotary head from getting on the patio area. So because of that, now I have to add another head farther down in order to cover some of the area that rotary head was covering. So, one thing has led to another, but I'm almost finished with it. Michael Von Williams, the Sprinkler Man, Acrobatic Irrigation, 346-476-9065.